Saving money in a piggy bank can be a fun and effective way to build your savings, and here's some tips. Number one, you got to set a goal. Determine what you're saving for, whether it's a special treat, a toy, a large purchase. Having a clear goal can motivate you to save consistently. Now, make regular deposits. So basically commit to adding money regularly, whether it's weekly, monthly, or after receiving cash gifts, okay? Use spare change whenever you have loose change, and put it in there in the piggy bank. Over time, these small amounts can add up significantly. Now, create a savings challenge. Try a savings challenge like saving $1 for every week of the year. By the end, you'll have a nice sum saved up. Also, you got to limit withdrawals. Treat your piggy bank as a long-term savings tool. Avoid taking money out unless it's good for your set goal, okay? Get creative. Personalize your piggy bank or set up multiple ones for different goals. This can make saving more engaging and visually rewarding. By following these tips, you can enjoy the process of saving while watching your piggy bank fill up.